Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did your iPhone screen suddenly turn green? Or is it flashing green? Don't worry, you're not alone. In most cases, it's a software issue that you can fix at home. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the iPhone green screen problem. Let's dive in. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the green screen is gone, the problem is resolved. Method 2. Fix with iSumsoft iOS Refixer. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Download and install iSumsoft iOS Refixer on your computer. This is a powerful iOS repair tool that helps you fix iPhone green screen issues without losing data. I've included the link in the description below. Then launch the software. Choose System Repair. Choose Standard Mode. Click Start to proceed. Click Next. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to download the firmware for your iPhone. Finally, click Repair. The software will start repairing your iPhone. The repair was successful. Your iPhone should restart normally. Then you can use it normally without any issues. Method 3. Factory restore your iPhone with iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. Choose Restore when prompted. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Agree to the terms. iTunes will automatically restore your iPhone to factory settings. This will erase all data on your iPhone and reinstall the latest iOS. The restore was successful. Your iPhone should reboot normally. Then set it up again, and you're all set. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. See you in the next one.